Hello friend, in today's video we are doing an important question which is very much important from your exam point of view. This question you find in a number of your sample papers. Manika, Bhavi and Komal 6:4 is to 1 is their profit sharing ratio, and Komal is granted a minimum profit of 2 lakh when the firm actually incurred a loss of 22 lakh. Firm have granted, or you can say partners have granted one partner a minimum profit, but the firm itself incurred a loss. So what you have to do in this particular case, first of all, this 22 lakh loss will be written off among all the partners in their profit sharing ratio, which is 641, right? So this 22 lakh rupees is given to all the partners in 22 lakh into 6 divided by 11. Manika's share is 12 lakh, then Bhave is 8 lakh, then Komal is 2 lakh. This share is their share of loss. But what in this question was that Komal was granted a 2 lakh profit. Rather, she was given a loss over here of 2 lakh. So we need to give her a total of, we granted him a profit of 2 lakh. Rather, we have charged from him her loss of rupees 2 lakh. So total payable to him is now rupees 4 lakh. So this total sum 4 lakh rupees which is payable to her, that is here, so she becomes the creditor of the firm. So she should be credited because Komal has to take from the firm a total sum of rupees 4 lakh which was guaranteed to her by the firm. So she should be given a credit. Now who will give them her, that is Manika and Bhavi. Manika and Bhavi will give her this total 4 lakh rupees in which ratio, because the question is silent about the guarantee given ratio. So this profit sharing ratios, this part except Komal will become your deficiency bond ratio. So this will go in which ratio, that is 6 is to 4, or you can say 3 is to 2. So this 4 lakh rupees into 3 divided by 5, we got 2 lakh 40,000 loss to be borne by Manika, and then 1 lakh 60,000 loss to be borne by Bhavi in this particular case of guarantee, right? So you have to keep in mind, if there is any loss transfer to the guaranteed profit case, then you will take a sum of your loss plus minimum guarantee as in the credit side for your journal, and rest other partners would have to give it on the debit of your journal, because they both become debtor to the firm and guaranteed partner become creditor to the firm. Thank you, Accountitude. Keep scoring, like, share, and subscribe to my channel.